Alright guys, got the heater going on in there. It's cold as can be. I'm going to try to do a little repair on the quarter glass seals, you know, that trim around the quarter glass. Basically, I'm just going to sand them up, do some little glazing putty or whatever, and sand them down, prime them up, and paint them with some trim black. I do have a set of new trim and everything to go on all around, but honestly, it'd probably just be just as quick and easy to do that instead of messing with all that sealant and everything, you know. So we're just going to get after that and see what we do. Alright guys, so we got it sanded up. I just went over, because these are real rough, so I just went over it with some 80 grit. And then we're going to take a little putty. I'm going to probably use some Dolphin glaze, just a little glazing putty over them and get them smoothed up real quick. But yeah, these ones on here are pretty rough. But you know, I had the idea, man, maybe I'll just do this, and I actually looked it up. And you know, a bunch of guys on forums said this is what they're doing. So I thought, well, hey, I guess I wasn't too far off. Yeah, I'll putty this thing up real quick. Alright you guys, I got some Dolphin glaze swiped all around this thing, and we'll see pretty soon how it dries up, and I'll get sanding it down, see if it laid out smooth and filled all them little, you know, imperfections up, and we'll get it primed up and painted. Alright guys, it's raining out here, but I thought I'd show you what we got going on. So this is how the quarter glass trim came out. Looks real good. Looks real good. Got the windows tinted. You know, I don't know what to do about this, but this part where that like black dotted thing on the inside of the glass, man, I fought and fought this window trying to get that to quit. But there, we painted the black around the doors back. Still got to do this trim, but even this tint come up like that. But this trim, look at it. See how bad they are? That's something in it. But you know, it's coming along. It's all right. Certainly looks better with the windows all black. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I'm going to keep it pretty short, and you know, help us out. Like it, subscribe, tell us if it's good or bad, or if you know how to fix my tent spots, tell me about that. Yeah, you know, check us out, stick with us. Thanks.